We're here at the Windows Phone 7 developer launch event, where developers are getting a chance to see and handle the new Windows Phone, as well as learn about the development platform and tools. Let's see what they think.
Hi, my name's Joe.
My name's Josh.
And we're getting ready to build our first Windows Phone app. It's going to be an easy way for you to send canned messages to your friends and family.
We'll be writing it with Silverlight and Visual Studio 2010.
And our app is on Windows Phone.
We were first interested in developing for the Xbox 360 simply because of the massive reach. I mean, we're in 20 million people's living rooms on a console with just a $100 fee for the barrier to entry. That's never been done before, and it's just been amazing visibility for such a low cost.
Visual Studio and other tools have been here for a long time. So it actually gives me an easy way of doing the development. The turnaround time is going to be fairly quick when compared to other platforms. That's it is. It's very easy.
What we're excited about is developing applications that integrate with SharePoint, because we're really excited about the integration that the Office products have with the mobile device.
And what I really liked about Expression Blend was the easing stuff that they have built in. I think the guy actually made a comment in the session that we're in that the easing part of it has got a lot of trigonometry as part of it. And yes, I was doing a lot of that math a long time ago. Now to know it's actually built into this Expression Blend stuff is really cool. So it's actually fairly natural just to pick it, drag it around with a few little XAML edits, and it's there. So I'm actually really excited about the Windows Phone.
There's a big potential to also create some nice revenue.
I'm Sean Anderson from Six Flags, and our application is being developed internally. The experience with the development is incredible. It's a lot faster than what we've noticed on our iPhone development. Our team has been mainly focused on looking at both the end user experience, more so, and concentrating on what the end user is going to be seeing in the park, the guest is experiencing in the park, than with the iPhone. The iPhone was more or less our first implementation of a mobile environment for our guest experience, and this seems to be more of an enhancement to the experience that the guest is when they're in the park.
All right, the application name is Soundtracker. What does Soundtracker do? It's a terrific app because it integrates like a personal internet radio, like others that are out there, but it has access to a much larger catalog of 8 million songs fully licensed, so you can enjoy them no problems. And also brings two new layers into the experience. One is the social layer, because it allows you to create stations and share them with your friends, see what your friends are listening to, and even listen together. And while you listen and enjoy the music that you have learned your friends are listening, you can also share communication such that you can make comments on the stations and the artists, and you can chat with your friends. So the development experience has been really smooth, I must say. Particular kudos to Microsoft for having delivered such great tools. Of course, Visual Studio is the center of everything, but also the other auxiliary tools. The team has really enjoyed doing that. I have already experience with .NET development, so all the familiar tools were there. And the designer, in particular, has been able to do a great experience. And we didn't have to work too hard to bring that fantastic, beautiful design. And I can show a little bit here. You can see it's very beautiful.
Bullet Asylum is like Missile Command meets Geometry Wars. It's a super crazy game designed to show off how much bullets, how much enemies, how much stuff we can have on screen at once with both on the Xbox and Windows Phone 7.
Yeah, it's all about where you are, which is the name of our company and the name of our app. It's all about sort of very hyper-local, what's going on around you, how to find stuff. It came together much quicker than I expected. I figured that it would be multiple month development process, but we started in May, and it really only took a couple months for it to really come together with a couple other guys doing the development.
I think Windows Phone 7 hits a home run.
So the question is, will your app be on Windows Phone?